Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through how you can share Google Slides with other people's, your friends, your colleagues, whoever. So let's get straight into it. So right now you have maybe one PowerPoint slide presentation and now you want to share with your colleagues. So how you can do that? First thing first, pretty simple. Just go here to the right side of your screen and here you will see a share button with this blue color. Now what you can do, you can click right here on the left and this thing will pop up right here. So it says add people, group, spaces and calendar events. So you can put here some names in it. Now after that you can you can set here general access, so restricted anyone with the link, so you can do that. And after that you can copy the link or you can just press done. But first you will need to put here names of peoples which you want to add into the photo album in my case. Now, if you click on the right side here, you will see directly copy link. So if we copy this link, we can directly access to this our photo album. So this is basically it, pretty simple. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.